Hi, I'm Richard from Chestnut Van Centre. I'll show you around my 2010 VW camper. It's a 2010 template VW Transporter. It's a T30. 4-berth camper. Registered on the logbook as a motor caravan, so it's a fully registered one. This is my own personal vehicle. It's not one of my stock. Comes with outstanding full service history. 108,000 miles, cam belt changed, water pump changed, fuel pump changed. Absolutely loaded inside, as you would expect. It's got the fridge, heating, air conditioning, 240 volt hookup. Has got the leisure battery as well, guys, so you can't get into a site. You can go anywhere you wish. Also got the gas in there too. Alloys all round. Drives absolutely fantastic. Looks even better. Show you inside. So right now I've got it set up as a lounge. 2 seats. All your toys. Your driver seat and your captain seat too. Two beds up top. Lots of light in here, guys. Loads of lights. Sockets as well. Got more seats around the rear. Got your water pump. More storage. Everything you need to go off grid. Plenty of storage in this actually. All your dials for your auxiliaries. I'll turn it into a bed. There you go. All of a sudden, you've got a bed. Take 2 minutes to change this into a bed. Very easy. Plenty of space. Show from the other side. Plenty of room. The oven and the fridge will also work off gas. So if you can't get to electricity hookup, do not worry. You got everything you need in one little van. Absolutely fantastic. So onto the cab. 2 seats up front. No rotors in the seats. Very clean, very tidy. Gearbox is nice and crisp. Yeah, I've got the aircon in there as well. One thing people seem to forget about campers. They are vehicles and they need to run right, and this runs absolutely like clockwork. Power windows, power mirrors as well. Awesome. So there you have it, my own personal T30 camper. It's going to come with a new 10-month MOT and a full service too. I'll even throw you a warranty on it. Any questions, please ask.